Hey YouTube, this is Jason. Today I'm actually going to work out my chest doing the gymnastics rings. So before we start, I'm actually going to show you how to do the correct way to install the gymnastics rings. Or have the first one up. This one right here, I'll show you how to do it. So before we start, you'll see it says feed web right here, and you want to stick the thing in through here. So first, I'm going to show you the incorrect way. The incorrect way is from the bottom in. So push it in. This is the wrong way. Wrong. And watch. If you pull down, it'll just come out. You don't want to do that. So started. Rings in there. Now I'm get the end of the right here. Stick it in. See that? It's going in. Go through. Now it doesn't move. See that? Okay. Now I'm gonna try to align it to where my other rings are set. There you go. And this is how you do the extra slab. Just put it up. And there you go. This is how you properly install the gymnastics rings. And it's pretty easy to adjust the slab. Yep. And have a great day. Peace.